Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we have a nice product when you want to go to those craft shows and you need a canopy tent. This is it, 10 by 10. It's the VEVOR canopy tent, and we're going to show some of the features, and one of the major features is that it has a storage case that has wheels on it. Let me demonstrate a little run around how well this thing maneuvers. The wheels are on the end. It has two wheels and then a perch so you can stand it up on the end. Let's go. So you just roll along, got a nice handle here. And then it will stand up, but you have storage and for the canopy and everything. So let's go back. And I'll pull it right around, and you can maneuver it, and it's not too heavy at all. To take it out, first you have on here is the canopy top is stored in here along with 4 sandbags. Now the sandbags are right here. They need to be filled if you want to use sandbags, if you need them. This is the canopy top right here, so we'll be putting that on here in just a little bit. And let's see, yeah, I was just seeing if there's any instructions in there. I haven't seen the instructions yet. Okay, that's all that's in there. Okay, close that up. Now you unzip it from this end, find the zipper on one side. This just unzips like this, and then this will go down, and you can just pull this out like this. Actually just lift it out. Now this is the bottom that goes to the ground. There's going to be some more materials like guy rope and tent pegs to secure it if there's going to be wind. All right, let's open this up, and I'm going to set it up right out there. Inside the center you'll find the guy ropes and the tent pegs and the user manual right there. They tell you to put it on a stable foundation, and then you pull the lower end of the middle 2 cross tubes by hand to expand the support to 1/3 of the stake. I think it's like this, okay? And what it is it just keeps expanding, and it's better if you have a couple of people. But if you don't, you can do it yourself just by doing like this. It says to expand it to about 1/3 of the size, and I found you can do it from inside just like this by lifting up. You can push down and bounce it. You can open it up. See, I'm opening it. Okay, but I want to close it back, so you just kind of bounce it along, and right there is about 1/3 of the side. And now we put this over the top and secure it, because once it's fully deployed, it would be hard to do. So, look it over. This is the first time. Looks like this is the center. Right there looks like the center, and now I can just lift this up and now pull this over the corners. Find the corner, there's the corner. And there's Velcro on these corners that you're going to wrap around the Velcro that's on the top. And let me find the Velcro. Right there's 2 Velcro strips. So I put those around there. That'll keep it from blowing off. Now, that is the side, so we want to go to corners. Okay. Yep, make sure you don't get the side. The corners are the ones with these little rings. And the Velcro is attached to the corner. There we go. Got its Velcro. Okay, and pull it down. And then secure the Velcro. Now, and then this will go over the side like that. And this one's over the side. See, and you have these on the side section. And you let this all drape over. Because now we're gonna spread this up. So I'm gonna get under there and then spread these out, and we'll see how that works. Now I'm doing it from the center. Okay, I'm going to show you how we did that. This is what it looks like when it's complete. This is locked in. So I've got to get that to lock. I've got to push up on this at the same time pushing up on that. So, I mean, right there. I've got to push up on this, and I can do it from right here, like this, and then hold my foot on there, push on this until it latches. There, and then that latch. Let's go over, and you see it's latched there. Now we're going to do this one right there, and I've got to get this one to latch in there, and I just push up on this as high as I can go. There, got it. That's the key. Pushing up on this so one person can do it. Okay, and now in here we can see that we can now take these items right here and we can lock these down from flapping. So this just goes around there like this. So that goes over, and we put this right here. And this one right here. Okay, there. Now, all the way around, everything's locked, secured. There we go, the inside is done. Now, what we have to do is all of those legs have to be brought up. So I'm gonna do 2 at a time, these right here. So to do it, pull it up on this corner, pull that down until it snaps. Right there. Pull that down until it snaps. And this is how you release it. Then relieve the tension. Do this. And with your foot. Okay, there. So we're gonna show taking it down and putting it back in the storage container and see how that works. Okay, so we put it up, let's go down with it. All right, we'll put these over to the side. Now to go down, first let's just repeat what we had before. Go down with this one, then I can go with this, and you push these little clips here, and that allows this to go up. Once you release it, it'll go all the way up. And now we do this, clip, with it in that configuration, now we're going to lower the inside, take the cover loose. So I'm going to go in and take those Velcro center pieces loose. There, all the way around. And now we're going to release. We're going to release, actually, no we're not. We're going to take this off right now, or lift it. Nope, I've got to release the center, that's all it is so I got to do these and release this down all four corners, and then move this into a third of its size, going all the way around. Now, I push down on these bars here, and she will start going in. And we're going to go into about a third of its size. And then kind of wiggle it and push it. Just pick it up and bounce it, and it will come closer. Okay, there we go. Now, release the corners. Look, I've got one. Take this off. Oh, got that in. No harm done. And then later we'll take this over and straighten it out. And fold it up. And now we're going to squeeze this in, and it's just a matter of bouncing it like this. Because when you lift up on it, on the ends, it goes. If you're trying to do it by yourself, it's easier with someone. Slide over. It's square, so it doesn't matter which way you go. And you just slide this down like that. Set that in there. Then pull these over like that. Get ready to zip it. That could be, you can find the center easy. That's where the four come together. And then I'm just going to divide it off into halves. It off in half, and then I'll just fold it up. Okay, there. Now I'll take these and move them over to the other corner. And so this is not going to be hard. These corners go together. Yep, and these corners. And then I go back. And then I can put these into quarters like this. And one more roll over this way. And then I'll just take it, flip this over the width of the package, squeeze it down, this, and then this. And squeeze all the air out. Now this is the first try, so I may have it too wide, and it will roll a little bit, and you just squish it, put your other materials in, like your sandbags. Chances are these would already be filled with sand, so they would be in your vehicle and you wouldn't worry about it. But this first time, and they will just go right in there. Okay. That will go right in there, there, and here's your handle. And now I'm ready to go to the car. Okay, folks, you saw it. It'll work with one person. You just have to have a technique. Much easier with two people. All right, folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.